Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have discussing about the temporary methods to be birth control. In temporary methods, we have studied that chemical methods, physical barrier methods, natural methods. Now, in the last lecture, we were discussing about the emergency contraceptive pills. In that we have discussed that the Prevan that is taken up to into 72 hours after the intercourse. Now the next emergency pill is mifepristone, that is also called RU486. It's also an oral drug which is used to be control the unwanted birth. So they also release progesterone hormone which help into the birth control. Now we will discuss about some problems that occurs after the taking these chemical methods. We know that mifepristone take first few days after the intercourse. It can be prevent pregnancy by preventing implantation. Mifepristone prevent the implantation of the new fetus to the uterus membrane. The main point is that what is the side effects of the emergency pills or emergency tablets. Mostly the major problem is that the birth control pills likely to cause cardiovascular problems. They arise a problem into our circulation system that causes high blood pressure, maybe heart attack, maybe heart pain, chest pain, and sometimes cardiac arrest. So these are the side effects of the chemical methods. Now we will discuss about the fourth method, that is injection or implants. Injection and implants are the methods which can be continuous affecting the birth control for next 3 to 5 years. The chemical methods, the physical methods and the natural methods are limited to very short time, but the injections or implants are affected for a very long time, up to 3 to 5 years. In the injection, the progesterone mini pill or progesterone, that is a hormone, is combined with estrogen. Means in this sector, so in this method, we use both the hormones, progesterone and estrogen, are also used in the female as injections. We induces these hormones by the help of injection into the female body. Due to this action, they remain for the longer time inside the body, and the effect of these hormones for a long time. The injections may be used up to 3 to 4 years. Next is implantation. As its name, implant means placing a object inside a body where that is requirement. Now implants, these are the 6 matchstick like capsules. The structure of the capsule is that like these 6 capsules are in this method, which are containing progesterone hormone or steroids, are inserted under the skin of inner arm. In the female body, these capsules are placed by surgery into the inner side of inner arm, and above the elbow these capsules continuously releasing the progesterone hormone until the time period of 5 years. So the injection and implants are used up to for a longer time. These are the more safest methods which are used to be birth control under the temporary methods. Now we'll discuss about the flow chart that show the temporary methods and its types. We start from first. Temporary methods in birth control divide into three parts. First one is natural method, barrier methods, four parts: the injection and implants and the physiological devices, oral pills. First, natural method. In natural method we have discussed that safe period before 10th day and after the 17th day. We have to ignore the sexual intercourse between 10th to 17th days. Coitus interrupts means drawn the penis during the sexual introduction before the ejaculation of the semen into the female vagina. It is also a natural method. Lactational amenorrhea means no menstrual cycle during the lactation period. When a newborn baby feeds upon the mother's milk, that is the lactation period, but this is long up to only 6 months. Next type of temporary method is barrier methods, mean preventing a barrier between the egg and the sperm. Here the chemical methods and the mechanical methods and the IUDs, which are also included into mechanical method. Chemical methods mean tablets, jellies, foam like spermicides, and Dalphan, which is used as cream. In the chemical method, basically they all are spermicides, means a chemical which is used to kill the sperm. In mechanical method, first is condoms. We know that it is a material, so it is a barrier which is formed by the rubber or latex to prevent the mixing of sperm to the egg. It is used by the both male and female. The female condoms are known as femidoms. So these are next is diaphragm, cervical cap and the valves. These are also a rubber cap which is used by the only female. These three objects are placed into the cervix where they cover the opening of the uterus and there is no entry of the sperm to the egg. Next one is IUDs, intrauterine devices, means the devices that is placed inside the uterus. Further, IUD divided into three types according to their function: non-medicated, which do not have any medical effect, Lippus loop. Second has CU IUD, means copper IUDs, copper T, copper 7, multi-load 375. These are the examples. Next one is hormonal, means that release hormones. Here we know that these hormonal IUDs release the progesterone hormone. Example is LNG20, progesterate. Next one is the injection and implantation. We know that injections are the mix up of progesterone and estrogen hormone that works up to 3 to 4 years. Implantation, it is a group of 6 capsules that look like matchstick that placed inside the inner arm of the female above the elbow and works up to 5 years. The next and the last type of temporary method, it is physiological devices. Physiological devices are mini pills. That is the example of a single pill. The example is Saheli, that is developed by the Central Research and Drug Institute, that is located in the Lucknow. Combined pills Mala D and N. Emergency pills में Pre1 and to prevent the implantation. Then next is Mifepristone. So these are the generally chart diagram of the temporary methods. Now we will discuss about the next step of the birth control, that is permanent method known as surgical methods. In that, the methods will be used having a permanent effect to be control the birth. That is the second type of the birth control. The second method is permanent methods or surgical methods. We are saying it permanent or surgical because with the help of medical science, with the help of surgical devices or surgical techniques, we cut the tubes in the both male and female body to prevent to reaching the egg and sperm for the fertilization. It's a permanent method because by cutting of tubes there is no chance to be mixing of gametes. So the two type of permanent methods according to the body, in the male body and in the female body. The first permanent method which is used in the male body is vasectomy. Means the removal of the vasa, a short segment of vasa deferentia. So its name is vasectomy. In the female, we know that a fallopian tube carrying the newly releasing ovum to the fertilization. But in this process, removal of fallopian tube, a short part of fallopian tube, and the tied up ends with surgical thread. In this process, first we cut the tube in female and male body. In male, we cut the short segment of vasa deferentia. In the female, we cut the short segment of fallopian tube. So result is that sperm are not passed outside the body, absorbed inside, due to there is no passage for the passing the sperm outside the body. And same function occurs into the female body. This is the diagram presentation. We know these are the testes, the vasa deferentia which carry the sperms to the outside the body. But by the use of permanent surgical methods, we cut and tied up with the surgical thread, and the sperm were released into this segment and absorbed here, not passes in this segment, so there is no release of sperm and there is no chance of fertilization. Next one is in also female, the short segment of fallopian tube is cut. When the ovum is released here, it passes to the fallopian tube but cannot reach to this region for the fertilization. So this is the permanent method. Next technique that is commonly used in the current time, that is laparoscopy. It is a laser technique. Telescopic instruments called laparoscope used to tube ligation. Means by using the telescopic instrument that is known as laparoscope are used to tube ligation. Ligation means binding. With the help of this device, without cutting the vasa deferentia and the fallopian tube, both tubes are ligaged. Both tubes are closed by ligation method, and that's known as laparoscopy. So this is only the permanent methods. Next, the last one method is the medical termination of the pregnancy, means the abortion. With the help of medical tools and the techniques, we terminate the pregnancy. That may be by killing the infants. That is called abortion. So the third point is medical termination of pregnancy or induced abortion, or MTP. Intentionally or voluntarily, means with a choice, termination of the pregnancy before the fetus becomes viable, means into the first trimester, means before the 12 weeks. Up to the 12 weeks, the abortion may be induced. Fetus becomes viable is called medical termination of the pregnancy.